Today we're showing you how to make a hair detangling spray. To make our spray, we'll be using a 1/3 cup of distilled water, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a 1/2 teaspoon of jojoba oil, and 10 drops of lavender essential oil. To make our detangling spray, we're going to start with our 1/3 cup of distilled water, and then we'll add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So apple cider vinegar helps to smooth the cuticle of the hair, and this not only makes it look shinier, but it also makes the hair less prone to tangling. Next, we're going to add our 1/2 teaspoon of jojoba oil. And you can use a carrier oil of your choice here, but we love jojoba for hair because it's very similar to your scalp's natural sebum, which is like your own natural hair conditioner. So this will also help to smooth and shine the hair, making it less prone to tangling as well. Finally, we'll add our 10 drops of lavender essential oil. And again, you can use an oil of your choice here, but we love lavender because it smells great and it's wonderful for all hair types. Now you just need to grab a funnel and pour your spray into your spray bottle. You want to make sure to use the spray on wet or damp hair because as the hair dries, the vinegar smell will evaporate as well. If you use it on dry hair, you might have some lingering vinegar smell, so just be sure to avoid that. And there you have it.